Right, I'm back with the Alvis. This thing here, we've pulled through. There's a drain hose that goes from inside here all the way down, comes out underneath, actually underneath the car. That's just tucked in there, all the way through. And the old ones are rotten, and they were rubber hoses. So I've ordered this. Well, I've just got this arrived. I bought red, so it was easy to see, and looked, you know, you're not going to see it. This is hopefully the right internal diameter. It looks a bit small, but it is very stretchy, so hopefully we can jam it on or make some sort of little thing up to fit it with a bit of bigger hose. Maybe we'll figure it out. But anyway, got red silicone hoses that potentially are not going to rot like the old ones have. Anyway, that's a job for a week's time. But just a little update. The old dashboard's still sitting there wrapped up. That can go back on. I think I might put it back on and just cover it, tape it all up rather than leave it potentially to get damaged, sort of sitting around. So there we go. I've got about 6 meters of that, which is too much, but you know, I needed like 4 and a bit meters, and I could either get 3 meters or 6 meters, so that's the way it goes. So there we go. Back on the Alvis next week. Friday next week should be another something doing, hopefully. But until then, that's it for now. How about that for a tick over? Right, so here we are. We have got new, let's jump in. We got some new, you can see up here, we've cut this out. That's just tape. But we have our new bits now of wood, which actually go in behind there, but it goes in here. And then we just have to cut this till we're probably going to remove a bit more of this actually and put more good wood in. We had them made too long on purpose. Anyway, so that's that one. Obviously got the other one for the other side. So that's today's job. Well, we'll do as much as we can do. Just cutting a bit more of this out and trying to put the new bit in. We're probably going to tiger seal it in a bit behind and then put a nice little metal plate on the front just to tie the two bits together. So that will be that done. This is the drain here for the sunroof pan, which they did send the wrong size of tubing, of course. So I can't do that now, but that will be the next job. And then we're going to go around and seal all of this up, make sure it's completely watertight. And then that will be basically that. The dashboard is not in yet, but it's actually sat in that blanket ready to go back in. And that will be pretty much the end of doing water leak repairs. Obviously we're going to change, spin round, we've got to do the back hoses as well. You can see there's a hose, but you can also see that bit of plate is all pugged up, so that's going to get sorted as well. Same one that side. But you know, progress. Once this is done, it's paint stripping the entire car, and it will go to the painter hopefully sometime in October to be completely painted on the outside. Everything will be done, and then it's the fun bit of putting the headlining in, new carpets, blah blah blah. So there's a little update for you. I'll take a few more photos or film a bit more later once we get stuck into this. So we've cut an angle into this, and then we've just got to shape it to fit. is that hanging down? Let's get rid of it. There we go. Right, so it's going to need fixing in, but that's the other one made. So that's as far as I'm going to go today. But progress.